Are you a student struggling to keep up with assignments, notes, deadlines, and presentations? What if I told you that artificial intelligence could be your new secret weapon to conquer your academic life? In this video, we're diving deep into the best AI tools for students in 2025 that will transform how you learn, write, organize, and study. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a powerful AI toolkit that will make your academic life way more efficient. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools out there, ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is your ultimate study buddy. Need help understanding a difficult topic? Ask ChatGPT. Stuck while writing an essay? ChatGPT can give you outlines, thesis ideas, even rewrite sections in a better tone. It's like having a virtual tutor available 24/7. You can even practice mock interviews or role-play scenarios for presentations. The possibilities are endless. Next up, Grammarly. Grammarly is more than a grammar checker. It uses AI to suggest better word choices, fix tone, and make your writing clearer. If you've ever gotten marked down for vague writing or awkward phrasing, Grammarly will be your savior. It even has a built-in plagiarism checker and can tailor its suggestions based on the kind of document you're writing, be it an essay, email, or research report. Now, let's talk about Notion AI. Notion by itself is already a favorite for organizing class notes, assignments, and study materials. But Notion AI takes it to another level. You can use it to generate summaries of your class notes, draft reports, or brainstorm ideas for your next paper. It can even auto-organize your content and create to-do lists that update in real time. Think of it as your all-in-one digital workspace supercharged with AI. Then there's Otter.ai. Picture this. You're sitting in a lecture trying to take notes as fast as the professor talks. Why not let Otter.ai do that for you? It transcribes spoken words into clean, readable notes instantly. Later, you can search specific parts of the lecture using keywords. It's perfect for revising complex topics and ensures you never miss a single word. Let's not forget Quillbot. This tool is perfect for paraphrasing, summarizing, and enhancing your writing. Imagine you've written a paragraph, but it sounds too basic. Paste it into Quillbot, and it'll rephrase it to sound more academic. You can adjust the tone, choose vocabulary levels, and even translate your content if needed. It also features a grammar checker and a citation generator. For students in science, technology, engineering, or math, Wolfram Alpha is indispensable. It's not just a calculator, it's a computational knowledge engine. You can input complex equations, get step-by-step solutions, generate graphs, and access thousands of facts across subjects. From physics formulas to statistical analysis, Wolfram Alpha gives you answers with context. Now let's explore Canva. You may think Canva is just for design, but its AI features make it perfect for students too. It has AI-powered design suggestions, instant background removal, smart resizing, and even a magic write tool for creating presentation content. Whether it's a class presentation or a poster for your student club, Canva makes it look professional with minimal effort. If you're learning a new language or preparing for a foreign language exam, Duolingo Max is your best friend. This upgraded version of Duolingo uses generative AI to create role-playing scenarios and give you real-time feedback. Practice speaking, get instant corrections, and immerse yourself in conversation-like learning, all tailored to your pace and level. Need fast, accurate answers while researching? Perplexity AI is the new age search engine that provides clear, concise, and sourced answers. Unlike traditional search engines that give you endless links, Perplexity gives you the answer directly, backed with references. It's great for quick fact-checking or understanding unfamiliar topics fast. Another gem for students is Brainly. Brainly is a community-powered platform with built-in AI that helps verify solutions. Post your question and receive answers from peers, with the AI scanning for the most accurate and relevant responses. It's like crowdsourced tutoring with quality control. Now that we've covered the tools, let's put them into a real-life student scenario. Imagine you've been assigned a history essay due in 2 days. You open Notion and start outlining your ideas using Notion AI. Then you ask ChatGPT to help generate a thesis statement and find credible arguments. You write the first draft and run it through Grammarly to fine-tune the language and fix grammatical errors. Then, you use Quillbot to rephrase a few awkward sentences and generate a formal conclusion. For your references, you let Quillbot's citation tool help format them properly. Once done, you turn to Canva to design a stunning title page for your report. That's efficiency powered by AI. Let's not ignore the time management benefits either. With AI calendar tools integrated in apps like Notion and Google Calendar, you can automate study reminders, prioritize tasks based on deadlines, and even schedule breaks for optimal focus. Combine this with smart task tracking in Notion, and you'll become a productivity machine. Worried about staying focused while using all these apps? Use an AI-powered tool like Freedom or Cold Turkey to block distracting websites and apps during your study hours. These tools analyze your browsing behavior and recommend personalized focus schedules. What about group projects? Try tools like Fathom AI for summarizing meeting notes from Zoom calls, or Miro AI to collaboratively brainstorm ideas and get instant suggestions on visual layouts. Still not impressed? Let's talk accessibility. Tools like Speechify can convert your notes into spoken audio using lifelike voices. Perfect for auditory learners or reviewing material while on a walk. Combine it with Otter.ai and you've got both sides covered, input and output. And here's a bonus. AI tools like Consensus help you search through academic research papers by summarizing key findings. No more wading through 30-page studies to get to the point. It does the heavy lifting for you. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap your ultimate AI student toolkit. ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion AI, Otter.ai, Quillbot, Wolfram Alpha, Canva, Duolingo Max, Perplexity AI, Brainly, and a few bonus tools like Speechify, Consensus, and Cold Turkey. These tools don't just make learning easier, they make it smarter. And that's a wrap! If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Gear Lab for more videos like this.